Hello. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Today is 6th November 2020, and then it is a Friday. And here I would like to share my views, but it is not obligate that you have to follow. It's my just view for my fellow friends who are running the takeaways and all over the world. Now I feel and I heard that many people are avoiding the takeaways, food consumption from that takeaway, as the world is collapsed with the coronavirus, and people who are working with the takeaway are infected. Many are infecting, and so the customer are scared. So to gain the trust, the business runs with the trust. Trust and belief from the customer. If the customer has a trust and belief on you that you are safe to provide food for the customer, then takeaway will grow better and better. As restaurants are closed, takeaway has to go up 100 times more for all. That's what I feel. Therefore, there's only one solution that all the takeaway runners, I think, to gain the trust from the customer, and then the self-starting, this entrepreneur and the owner has to test for the COVID-19 that any of you or your workers are positive or not. Yeah, obviously one who is positive will stay at home, but this has to as frequent as you can do, and you let the customer know that you are caring for the customer's health. Then it will be benefit for both, as well as for the business and as for the customer also. So this is what I feel. If you find it is good, then you can take it as your reminder. If you found this is just a blah blah blah, then leave it like as it is. Thank you. Yeah, this is my friend. This is my best friend in the world. Thank you. Thank you.